Hello guys, so today guys we have the new Canon EOS 850D with 1855 IS STM kit lens. It's also called guys a Rebel T8i DSLR camera with 24.1 megapixel and 4K videos, and of course you have the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity. This is the box of the 850D guys, from front to back and side, and this is the top box of the Canon E850D. And let's check the box guys, and we'll do an unboxing and let's check what's inside the box. So again guys, let's start unboxing now guys. So yeah, first you have the power cord, power cables. Of course you have the Canon LCE17 charger for your LPE17 battery. So this is the battery guys, so sorry for the it's not focusing well, but again this is the LPE 17 battery. And so of course you have a power cable again and your manuals guys. This is very important to read the manual guys first, and also you have the Canon original strap, neck strap guys. So and that's the first layer, and the second layer on the bottom, this is your camera and the lens, which is the 1855 IS STM. So this is the lens guys, and let's open the lens. And I think this is a little smaller compared for the previous 1855, which is not IS STM lens. And so this is the lens guys, and of course the camera. So this is the Canon EOS 850D or the EOS Rebel T8i DSLR camera. So from I believe from Europe it's called by T8i or something, but in Middle East and Asia it's 800 series 850D. So this is the camera guys, the Canon 850D. Again guys, this camera can record up to Ultra HD 4K with 120 megabits per second and support the EF and EFS lenses from Canon DSLR lineup guys. So again, this is the Canon 850D. And if you want to know the price of the product, you can visit our website www.aabworld.com, or you can visit us in Symphony Showroom Salmia, Kuwait guys. So again, thank you and mabuhay.